Nakatanggap tayo ng katanungan mga kaibigan kung ano daw po yung mga valid ID na pwede niyang gamitin kasi wala daw siyang TIN ID. So ito po yung mga listahan po ng DF na pwede mong magamit na primary valid ID na tinatanggap, no. Ito po yung mga mabibigat, no, na mga valid ID na pwede mong magamit kung wala kang TIN ID. Yung Philippine PhilSys, no, Philippine Identification System, yung national ID natin. Yan pwede mo ipakita yan, Phil ID card o ePhil, yung Philippine System Digital ID, Philippine Passport issued by the Department of Foreign Affairs, yung driver's license issued by the Land Transportation Office, yung including the card format, yung student permits pwede din po yan basta hindi po paso. Yung UMID ID natin na in-issue po yan ng SSS or GSIS, pati po ang SSS Digitized ID, yung Social Security System card, GSISE card ID, yan yung Government Service Insurance System card, PRC ID pwede rin po, ang Professional Regulation Commission License card, ang Postal ID, Digitized PVC plastic card version pwede rin po yan, Voters ID issued by the Commission on Elections o COMELEC or a voter certificate issued from the COMELEC main office. School ID, generally accepted po siya as primary ID for students who are currently enrolled, provided it is signed by the principal or head of the school. Alam nyo ba pati ang Senior Citizen ID o card issued by the Office of the Senior Citizens Affairs o OSCA or the local government units ay qualified din po as primary ID. Even the PWD ID, Persons with Disability ID issued by the National Council on Disability Affairs or local DSWD or Mayor's Office are accepted. Ngayon, meron naman tayong mga secondary ID kung hindi nyo naman po available yung mga yan. No, pwede po kayo mag-present ng dalawang secondary ID, preferably with picture and signature. Yun na nga po, papasok na po yung TIN ID issued by the Bureau of Internal Revenue, ang PhilHealth ID card. Philippine Health Insurance Corporation po ang nag-issue niyan. Ang Pag-ibig Loyalty Card, alam niyo ba na pwede rin po pala yan? Pati po ang NBI clearance, national na in-issue po ng National Bureau of Investigation na clearance certificate, at even po ang police clearance na in-issue po ng Philippine National Police, ang barangay certification, barangay ID must bear clear photo of the individual, company ID, employee ID issued by private companies or government issued offices o government offices o GOCC. Alam niyo ba pati Seaman's Book, yung Seafarers Identification and Record Book, yung SIRB, even yung OWA ID, OFW ID, Overseas Workers Welfare Administration card, even yung solo parent ID issued by the local government's DSWD office, at yung Integrated Bar of the Philippines o IBP ID for foreign nationals residing in the Philippines. If you are foreign residents here, the following documents serve as your official identification: yung valid foreign passport ninyo, alien certificate of registration, yung immigrant certificate of registration, yung special resident retirees visa card, special investors resident visa SIRV card. Yan po mga kaibigan yung mga valid ID na pwede ninyong magamit, even yung secondary valid ID, no? Pag primary, okay na yung isa. Kapag secondary, make it 2, dalawa, para valid na valid ang inyong identification. Ako po si Chico. Enjoy the rest of the day and God bless po.